Okay, our MetaTrader is now up and running. Even after changing the energy saving settings, our server no longer wants to constantly go into sleep mode. And we still have to set 2 or 3 things before we can use it. Today is the weekend, so there will be no price changes. Let's go to Extras, Options. The server settings are okay so far. I don't need messages, so I can deactivate them. I used to reduce the maximum number here in the charts because the computing power of older computers was still quite modest. On the Trading tab, I always set a default size that is as small as possible. This prevents you from accidentally clicking on the chart and opening a large position when you don't actually want to. The important tab for us here is this Expert tab. Here we have to allow algorithmic trading. As a security feature, you can disable the option to continue trading after an account or profile change. I don't need that here. The import of DLLs is useful if we want to use an external statistics service, such as FXBlue or MyFxBook. And one of the first things I always turn off are these annoying event sounds. With a virtual server, I don't really care, but I always turn them off anyway. And if we click on OK now, we should have the basic settings done. Algorithmic trading is now allowed up here. The tabs below are also becoming more and more from year to year. The tab for trading is important for us. Here we see the account balance and we would see positions. And you can display columns in the positions, for example the swap costs. These can be quite significant and are not displayed at all by default. In addition, you can display the comment here, provided that you use a system that works with comments. And there is one more subtlety: even if algorithmic trading is allowed up here, it is still possible that a different setting has been selected on the chart. In the next video, we will set up the chart differently and also save a template for automated trading.